Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special for you. We're going to show you how to make King Arthur carrot cake scones, a delightful twist on the classic scone recipe. These scones are not only incredibly delicious, but also fit for royalty. So grab your aprons and let's get baking. Before we begin, make sure you have all the ingredients handy. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1 cup shredded carrots, 1/2 cup raisins, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. First, in a large mixing bowl, let's combine our dry ingredients. We have our all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. Give it a good mix to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Now we're going to add our cold, cubed butter. You can use a pastry cutter or your fingertips to work the butter into the dry ingredients until it resembles coarse crumbs. This will give our scones that lovely flakiness. Next, let's toss in our shredded carrots, raisins, and chopped walnuts. These ingredients are what give our scones that delightful carrot cake flavor and texture. In a separate bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, egg, and vanilla extract. This mixture will add moisture and flavor to our scones. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and gently stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want our scones to be tender, not tough. Time to shape our scones. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and pat it into a circle about 1 inch thick. Then, using a floured biscuit cutter or a knife, cut the dough into scone shapes. Place your scones on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and pop them into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. While our scones are baking, let's prepare a simple glaze. In a bowl, combine powdered sugar with a few tablespoons of milk until you reach your desired consistency. You can also add a dash of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Once the scones are out of the oven and have cooled slightly, drizzle that delicious glaze over the top. It adds a touch of sweetness and a beautiful finish. And there you have it, King Arthur carrot cake scones fit for royalty. Serve them with a cup of tea or coffee for the perfect treat. Your family and friends will be asking for more. Thank you for joining us today as we baked up these delicious scones. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. And as always, happy baking!